This is an absolute must-have for every kitchen, especially if you want to save time. This will help you chop and grate large amounts of fruits and veggies quickly. It's so easy to use. You simply place your item here on top of the blade, press down, and voila. You have nicely chopped onions without the irritation in your eyes. But it gets better. If you don't want to have chopped onions, you can simply remove the top and the blade. Mind you, you have several blades to pick from. If you want to have some sliced onions, simply take this part here, place it on top, take your onion here, and you have perfectly sliced onion. This is so much safer than a knife. Perfect. And no tears.
This is the Cuisinart chopper. It's great for small tasks when you're working in the kitchen. It's simple and easy to use. As you can see here, this is made out of stainless steel. This cover is meant to be used when you want to chop on a countertop and you don't have a cutting board. Or if you have a cutting board, you can remove it and actually cut right on the board by doing this. The other thing is that this can go directly into the dishwasher for easy cleaning, and you unlock it by twisting it and removing it, and you turn it to lock it back in place. So I'm going to show you how to chop some items today. It's so simple and easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some herbs first. Put that back in there, and you just gather them together. And I'm going to do it right on top of the cutting board. And what happens is you press up and down, you'll notice the blades rotate. And then you can see how nicely that's chopped. I could do it a little bit more if I want it finer. Gather that together. And And you can see how quickly and easily you get beautifully chopped herbs. Now, if I wanted to, I can actually add some onions and chop onions and mix it right in with the herbs. So the reason I did the parsley first is I want it that much finer, but I might want to control the texture of the onions. So what I'm going to do is just chop it very quickly. And as you can see, I made the onions much coarser. And if you wanted to, you could continue chopping to make it even finer. So there you have it. So now what you can do is you can take this and you can put it right in your skillet, and you can sweat the onions with some herbs, and you can really develop some nice, great flavors. The other thing that you can use this for is to chop nuts. If you're going to make a batch of cookies or even brownies, you can do almost any kind of vegetable. And, you know, for instance, if you're going to make like maybe a little bit of tuna fish salad and you need, like I said, some onions or celery or an herb, you could chop it up really quickly and easily. And then you disassemble the chopper and you put it right in the dishwasher for easy cleanup.